I am sitting in a 2012 Dodge Durango. This vehicle has the keyless go fobic. Here's a start button, just looks like the bottom of your fobic key. Goes right into the hole there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull the pin. Then we're going to program the fobic to run. Then we're going to program the keyless go. So take your key, put it in the ignition, turn it to on. Security lights on the bottom. You can see it's flashing. It is not programmed. I'm going to go to Durango, pin extraction, 12, fobic B, read the pin. Okay, 7258. Back out, key coding. Go to fobic system 1. It'll automatically put the pin in for us on this. Okay, that part's programmed. Now we got to do keyless go. Back out, up 1 to keyless go. Match keyless go, 7258. Press enter. Okay, that's it. This is a very quick job. OBD2 port is right next to the brake. Let's go ahead and unplug it. From this point, we can go ahead and take our fob out. Press the lock and unlock button. You can see it locking the door. Put it in the ignition. Turn it to on. Security lights out. Starts up. And now we're going to test our keyless go functionality. Take that out. Take our button here. It'll just pop right back in there. Now put our foot on the brake. Push your button. Then it runs. Remember, you have to have a keyless go fobic to do that job. It's not the same as your regular fobic. Regular fobic will run this car. You just have to leave the start button off of there. So if you run into a car, you can still get it going. And you're done.